Your phone isn't just a phone anymore, it's your wallet, diary, and social hub all rolled into one. That makes it a goldmine for hackers, and just one careless click can hand over your banking info, private messages, and personal secrets. Hello and welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech news. While Hollywood makes hacking look like a hooded genius breaking into the mainframe, reality is often sneaky social engineering tricking you into giving up passwords, one-time codes, or credentials. Red flags are everywhere. Spot a shady app you don't remember installing? Uninstall it immediately. Android users should beware of sideloading, which makes it easier for malware like Trojans and adware to creep in. Hardware bombards you with pop-ups while Trojans quietly steal sensitive data. iPhones are tougher targets thanks to Apple's closed ecosystem, but nothing is 100% safe. Other warning signs: sudden battery drain, sluggish performance, and overheating can signal cryptojacking or hidden spyware using your phone to mine crypto or spy on your activity. Keep an eye on battery usage under by going Yo settings, then battery to identify unfamiliar app activity. And don't ignore strange messages or login attempts. Spear phishing attacks mimic trusted contacts, while random 2FA requests can trick you into giving access. If your phone is compromised, act fast. Delete suspicious apps, change passwords, scan with antivirus tools, especially on Android, and always keep your OS updated. When all else fails, a full factory reset wipes your device clean and gives you a fresh, safe start. Your phone may be your lifeline, but if you're not careful, it could also be your biggest vulnerability. For more updates, tips, and tricks like this video, comment and subscribe to GadInsider. Don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss any tech update. Signs your phone is hacked. Our modern lives are intricately wrapped around the digital devices we rely on. Our phones, once essential for connectivity and convenience, now pose a menacing threat to our privacy. Picture an unseen intruder silently slipping into our homes, observing our every move from a hidden corner. Phone hacking resembles this intrusion, laying bare not just our personal data, but also our financial secrets. It's similar to allowing access to our deepest, most private thoughts and actions merely by breaching our phones. Here's how to know if your phone is hacked. Our inboxes overflow with numerous emails and links clamoring for attention. Amidst these, seemingly credible links are tempting, leading us to inadvertently install apps. Sometimes, routine actions lead us to click on malicious links disguised under trusted brand names. It's crucial to be vigilant for signs that can indicate a hacked phone and adopt measures to fortify the security of our digital devices and protect our privacy. Identifying the signs of a hacked phone is crucial. While not exhaustive, these indicators could signal a potential hack. Number 1. Unusual battery drain. A hacked phone may exhibit rapid battery depletion due to background processes. Number 2. Excessive data usage. Monitor data usage meticulously to detect unauthorized background usage, indicating a possible hack. Number 3. Unfamiliar apps. Scrutinize and investigate unrecognized apps on your device for potential threats. Number 4. Slow performance and overheating. Sluggish performance and overheating, particularly on relatively new phones, could be signs of a hack. Number 5. Strange behavior. Abnormal app openings, unsolicited calls or emails, and unexpected behavior might signal a hack. Number 6. Interruptions during calls. Odd noises or interruptions during calls could suggest someone is eavesdropping. Number 7. Unexpected ads or pop-ups. Intrusive ads or pop-ups could signify malware intrusion on your device. Number 8. Unexplained transactions. Check bank statements for unusual transactions that don't align with your activity. Vigilance is key. Amidst the conveniences technology offers, our phones have become gateways to our personal worlds, making them prime targets for malicious intent. Detecting signs of a hacked phone and taking proactive steps to safeguard our devices and data are essential in preserving our privacy and security in this digital age. Has your phone been hacked? Here are 6 warnings to look for. In today's digital age, our phones are an integral part of our lives, storing sensitive information and personal data. However, with the increased risk of cyber attacks, it's important to be aware of the warning signs that your phone may be hacked. Here are 6 things you must assess to check whether your phone is hacked or not. Unusual battery drain. If your phone's battery is draining faster than usual, it could be a sign that someone's accessing your device remotely. Hackers often use malware malware to gain control of your phone, which can drain your battery quickly. Strange apps and pop-ups. Be careful of unknown apps or pop-ups that appear on your screen. It could be malware software that hackers can access to access your phone. Malware can come in the form of apps, games, or even fake security software. Increased data usage. Keep an eye on your data usage, as unusual spikes could indicate that someone's using your phone to send and receive data without your knowledge. Sluggish performance. If your phone is taking longer than usual to start or launch apps, it could be a sign that malware is slowing down your phone. Malware can cause your phone to run slowly as it uses your phone's resources and battery life to slow you down. Suspicious text messages and calls. Be wary of strange texts and calls from unknown numbers, as these may be attempts to scam or phish you. Unusual account activity. Monitor your phone account activity, such as unexpected password changes or unfamiliar login locations. If you see any of these warning signs, take immediate action to secure your phone and protect your personal data. Update your operating system, install antivirus software, and change your passwords to prevent further unauthorized access. How do I secure my phone from hackers? In today's digital era, our smartphones are more than just communication devices. There are lifelines storing a wealth of personal information. But with the rise of cyber threats, it's crucial to take proactive steps to safeguard our phones from hackers and scammers. Here are 9 simple yet effective strategies to enhance your phone security and protect sensitive data. Strong passwords. Start using strong, unique passwords for all your accounts. Avoid using easily guessable combinations and offer random strings of characters that includes letters, both uppercase and lowercase, numbers, and symbols. Biometric passkey. Consider switching to biometric passkeys such as fingerprint and facial recognition for enhanced security. Unlike traditional passwords, biometric data is unique to each individual, making it virtually impossible to attack. VPN on public Wi-Fi. When connecting to public Wi-Fi networks, use a virtual private network to encrypt your data and prevent unauthorized access. VPNs also annoy your online activities, enhancing your privacy and security. Facial recognition. While facial recognition can be convenient, it's generally less secure than other authentication methods like fingerprints. Consider using more robust options, especially for non-iPhone devices. App updates. Regularly audit the apps installed on your phone and delete any unused or outdated ones. Enable automatic updates for the apps you keep to ensure you're always running the latest, most secure versions. Call blocking apps. Install call blocking apps like Truecaller to identify and block robocalls and phone scams. These apps add an extra layer of protection against potential security threats. Stick to official apps. Avoid third-party apps that aggregate services and stick to official apps provided by trusted service providers. This minimizes the risk of unauthorized access to your accounts and data. Regular backups. Regularly backup your phone's data to the cloud to ensure it's securely stored, even if your phone is lost or stolen. Both iOS and Android devices offer straightforward backup solutions, iCloud and Google Drive respectively. Remote locking and wiping. Familiarize yourself with the remote locking and wiping features of your phone. In case of loss or theft, you can remotely lock or wipe your device to prevent unauthorized access to your data. By implementing these tips, you can significantly enhance the security of your smartphone and protect yourself from hackers and scammers.